So in this Figma tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to add stroke to text or how to add outline to text here in Figma. So once Figma's opened up, go to the bottom, press on the T, create a text box to add a text box to your design here. So once I have my text, it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to highlight the entire thing. And I want you guys to go to the right side to where it says typography. I want you to scroll down to where it says stroke. I want you to press on it, and then I want you to go ahead and select a color. So for instance, if I wanted to make the stroke red, or maybe I'll make the stroke like cyan, I can go ahead and do that. I will then slide it up all the way. Once that is done, you can go down to where it says position right here, and you can change the position. I will just go from the outside. And most importantly here, once you have weight created, you can go ahead and increase it. You can go ahead and decrease it, do what you got to do. But if this looks good to go, and you want to go ahead and keep it like that, you've now added stroke or outline to your text. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add stroke to text here in Figma. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.